everyone, welcome to Deku Base.
Hi, tonight we are going to barbecue chicken legs.
Joe, really? Chicken legs? Everyone eat it.
Yeah, come on, have you ever tried Stormbreaker chicken legs?
Oh no.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
You know, the stone brick is so difficult to make. I'm so tired. Leo, I need your help. Come on.
Okay. Let me do it.
Important ingredient for the stone brick. We are going to marinate it for about 3 hours. We already cut the inside. It's almost 3 hours. It's ready.
Joe, can I open it?
You understand, boy? You are about taking full oven or chicken leg. It will kill you.
Only if I die, I will open it.
Come on, dude. We just put the chicken legs in. It's not ready yet.
Oh, get it. Ah, it's hot.
Yes, that's what is killing you. Hold it, Leo.
Handle, where's the handle?
Screw's hand. Ah! Delicious!
Hi, Joe.
I'm not Joe now, I'm the Thor. Hi, Leo.
I'm not the Leo now. I'm the Thor number 2.
What are you going to do with your Stormbreaker? Are you going to save the world?
No, I just want to eat it.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
If you don't know what marvels or Stonebreaker is, please check the link in our details. It will help you understand better and you may enjoy our video.
Thank you for watching, guys.
If you like our food, and please subscribe our channel.
And a thumb up.
Thank you.
Stone brick shape. It's perfect.
I think it's very, very delicious. Let me try it.
Juicy.